60 Seconds Property Sense by Janet Becker.
Here's something most homeowners don't realize. Your mortgage interest is calculated on the balance you still owe, which means every extra rand you pay towards your bond principal can save you thousands over time. And no, you don't need to suddenly double your bond repayment. Even small changes help. Round your payment up slightly each month. Pay a little extra when you receive a bonus or commission, or even make one extra payment a year, because every extra payment reduces your balance faster, which means less interest gets charged over the life of the loan. And here's the exciting part. You don't just save money, you save time. Most homeowners cut off years of their bond term simply by paying a little extra consistently. Now, does paying off your bond early make sense for everyone? Not always. Sometimes building savings or investing may be a smarter option depending on your goals. But if your dream is less debt, more financial freedom, or owning your home sooner, then this extra principal payment can be incredible powerful. Small amounts, big long-term impact. Let me guide you home.